Hi guys, welcome back. And so today we're going to make the picture we see on the screen. Okay, so let's get started. To the new and the old subscriber, you are welcome. So now this is the width. This way is the width, while I have the length this way. So now we're going to fold it like a cone shape. Okay, like these are the down parts. So the material I'm working with is almost 5 yards. That is 4 yards and around 28 or 30 inches. So I'll just fold like this. You can watch my cape dress to know how to fold well. So it should be like this. So I want it to join to the edge here. Okay. And I'll arrange it. So the length I'm working with is 61. Okay. So I've arranged it. So from here I will measure if it is up to the length I want. Okay, yeah, 60. So just add like 2 inches. And here, okay, I think I'm good. So I will explain now. So I'll push this to the downside for us to see. I want to use chalk to mark. Okay, so this is 60. This is 2 around here. So depend on the length you want. You can make it 3/4, short, depend on how you want it, guys. So we have this now. So this is our starting line. So how do I know what I want? So the back shoulder we're working with is 8. Okay, so this is 8 here, right? Plus around 6 if you want to cut the way I cut the other one. But now I'm going to fold this like let's do 1.5 inches this way down. Okay, and I will pin it because of the fabric. Okay, I'll pin it and show us. So let's make it 1 inch instead of 2 because we still have hard fabric to it. So at the downside there, I'll just fold 1 inch and hold with safety pin. Oh, push pin, sorry. So 1 inch to the upper part. So I make it 1.5 here because this material sometimes they can be funny. Okay, so 1.5 here. So now let's push it down. Okay, so now this we use this side for our fronts. Okay, so the shoulder we're working with is 8, which is here, 8. Okay, so I added let's make it 6 inches because we will cut off the selvage. Okay, added 6 inches to it. Okay, so from that place we can come down by 1 inch if you want. Okay, so here we have 13, now almost 14. So now we are going to, if you like, you can come down by 1 inch. So the armhole we are working with is 16. Okay, so at this edge here, I'll come down by 16 divided by 2, that is 8. So I'll just mark the 8 here. Okay, hope you can see. Yeah. Okay, so the neck width, I need to find it out. Which neck do I want for the dress? Okay, I want so let's make it 3.5. Oh yeah, 3.25. Okay, let's make it 3.5. That's fine. That's okay. 3.5 here. So 3.5 that we have here, which is our neckline, I'm going to make a cuff to this line here. Okay. All right. Okay. So from this line, I'm going to make this side your bicep. Okay, the round. So we're working with 13. So we had 1 for his. That is 14. So that is 14 divided by 2. That is 7. So we have our 7 here. So from this point, we will come in by 1.5 or 2 inches. So let's do 2. Okay, on this side, same thing, by 2. So we're going to cuff. So this will serve our new armhole. Okay. So remember, this is opening side and this is closing side. Even though we are going to open the middle up. That is why we overlap here. Okay. So we have the new armhole here. So I'm going to come in. Make a puff here. Hope you can see. Okay. So now so it should be like this. Okay. So let's so here, remember this is the width. So let's do the depth. Let's make it, because we're still adding another one, so let's make it 3.5. So we might decide to add to it later on. Okay, so this is the front. You can cut it or just, so I'm still leaving it, right? So if you like, you can cut it or leave it. Okay. So now we're going to connect this, just cut it down. So we can use this to cut the back before we open it up. All right, so this is it. This is a neck here. Yeah, so let's do the back. So I've placed the fronts, can you see, on the back, but there's no need to fold the back unless you want to make another style, which is, that would be a good idea, but we're not folding the back anyway. So we have this now, so we're going to use this to cut the back. Exactly, but we'll not fold it because this is the opening side and this is the closing side. So let's get going. So we'll now decide on how we want the back to be. So for the back, we'll just make it 1 inch depth. Right. Okay. So like we have 3.5 here, I think. Yeah. So we just make the back to be 1 inch is okay for the back. You can make it 1.5 most maximum. So insert the fabric. Okay, so let's just do it 1 inch. Okay, so the back is ready. So the front, let's cut it out. Let's cut the neck for the front before we open it up. Good. So let's take the back away. And open up the fronts. So at the edge here, I will make a notch for me to know. Yeah, I'll make a notch. So now we can now open it up. I'm taking my time. You know what, I'm thinking of something. Maybe we should just open only the, yeah, let's open it up. Let's open everything up. So that means we have 3 pieces, 1 for the back and 2 for the front. Okay, wow, it's looking beautiful already. So we need another material to cut, so we're going to use this material to cut the straight pieces. So let's cut this. So I need 2.5, or you can use 2 inches. Okay, let's use I think 2 inches is okay. So we use 1/2 inch to turn it on both sides. So this is unfold now. So that is 2.5. okay, let's do 2 inches. Okay, 2. Let's make it 2.5. Let's make it 2.5. Okay, so I'm going to cut 2 of this 2.5. Okay, so open it because of the fabric we're using again. So I'm going to cut this out. So if you have a hairstyle, you can put on it, iron it out with it so that I can still well. Okay, so we're going to cut another one of this and I'll come back. So this is the back of the 2. So I put steel in one of, and in just on one side. So you can decide to put steel on it, which will be very okay. So yeah, now it's time to just sew on it. So remember, we leave like 1.5 inch. So you can decide not to make your own as big as that. Okay, you can make it 0.5 is okay. But because of the fabric, most times I like to have excess than to be short because of the fabric I'm working with. So now this is where the 1.5 is. Okay, you can decide to trim it off now, just be careful. Okay, so, and if you are using like fabric that is okay, you don't have to put steel, but if you want it to stand well, you need to add. So now just push it to the middle. So this is it, can you see it? This is my notch here, so it will be here, and I will fold like 1/2 inch like this. So I'll just push it inside to add as more stiff for me. So I'll just, but before you sew, just make sure you use pin to hold it, and that is how I will sew it. And I will sew the other side as well. Okay, and when you so remember, when you fold on this, remember to fold the back as well. Okay, and you can decide to iron it so it can help you out. Okay, so after fixing it to the both side, I will come back. So this is it. Can you see I've ironed the two up so that it can be easy for me to fix. So you can now use pin to hold it. Okay, so that it can be easy. And so now I'm done with, can you see, the front. So this is it. Okay, so now we're going to, I want to tape the neck together with the back. So I will just place the back on it. Okay, just place the back on it and put the shoulder here together. Okay, here together, and here like this together. Then from here you can just sew it, or you leave like 1 inch, because we need to fold it there. Leave like 1 inch at this side also, and just sew it down. And you can leave 1 inch at one side, just one side, because we want to tape the neck. It should be easy. So just leave 1 inch at one side and just join it together. Join the shoulders together here and there and the side. So this is it. Very lovely. And one more thing. So like this. Okay, so for the armhole here, you know, I always make correction whenever I saw anything like mistake or anything, maybe overdo. So now here, if you want to measure the height and the 14, it's better you place your tape rule like this for you to know where you will stop. Maybe this is where the armholes, the first armhole stop. So you're going to cuff it and measure. This is my height here, so that you will not have excess here. Okay, so I think, can you see, it's beautiful. So for the front here, I'm going to use press button. Okay, so fix one here and one here. So for the neck, I'm going to tape it. You can use any tape, any bias you have, to just tape your neck. So for this armhole here, there's another style here. So I'm going to, oh sorry, I said we should not sew this because I use soldier, that is why. Yeah, just start from the beginning. I just use soldier for the sides. Okay, so now I will open here a little bit, or you can just leave it. So this size is 2 inches. So when you open it up, that is 4 inches. Okay, so now what we're going to do is to just start from the downside here. Okay, and just sew it round. Okay, we'll fold it round and round here. So here you just close it up. Okay, you will have something like this here, so it can match with the neck. Then you can turn the downside. Okay, fold it and sew on it. So after joining this material to this, So I put elastic. So this is it. So I'll go ahead and fix the second sleeve. So this is it. This is how it looks. Okay,